Learn how to use STARCopy in this quick guide. 1. Copy a sign up. To start copy trading, go to your account page, add a live account, and choose STARCopy. Verify your identity by choosing an ID type, taking a clear photo and submitting it. 2. Strategy filtering. Start by discovering strategies with strong returns or low-risk stable performance. Apply filters to find strategies that best match your goals. Use the search bar to quickly locate strategies or providers. Scroll for detailed performance and save strategies you want to track. Open a strategy to check ROI, risk levels, and trading instruments before copying any trades. Save strategies you like and view them anytime from your profile. 3. Copy trading. First, choose your preferred copy mode, equivalent used margin, fixed lot size, or fixed multiplier. Then set your stop loss and take profit levels, and decide whether to turn on lot roundup and copy open trades to maximize your strategy performance. 4. Order management. Check your open positions and access the order management page for more actions. Open the profit sharing report to review payout and performance details. 5. Signal provider. First, go to your profile page, then tap Signal Provider Center to start your application. Read through the declaration, tap Accept, and then hit Submit to confirm. Next, go back to your profile page and tap the Strategy section to edit your profile. Tap Edit and add a clear description so followers understand your style and experience. 6. Signal Provider features. Go to your profile page, open Signal Provider Center, and create a new strategy. Set your source account, payment account, profit sharing ratio, and settlement period. Review follower requests and approve or reject them as needed. View your followers and check your profit sharing reports from the Manage Strategy menu. Visit the StarTrader app and start copying top strategies today.